Removing file, folder link after using Save As. Then web page, complete. When you right-click Save as a web page in FF, the page is saved along with a folder containing any associated media that page needs, images, JS, etc. My problem is that I want to reorganize the associated media folder, but wherever I move this folder, the saved HTML file is moved as well. Arg? I can rename each folder, which breaks the link between HTML file and media folder, but there must be a cleaner way to do it. Does anyone else know?
As I discovered, Gathron's answer is good if you have Office XP 2003 installed on your system. If not, you need to jump into the registry by going to Start and GT, Run, type regedit and in the registry editor, browse to. Right-click in the left panel to create a new Word value. Call it NoFileFolderConnection and give it a value of 1. That's it. If you ever want to turn the linking on again, change NoFileFolderConnection's value to 0. Alternatively, if you're comfortable applying a registry edit via a downloaded file, you can find a downloadable solution here, Archived Copy. More information can be found here.
Based on Microsoft's documentation. Another option which doesn't require registry modifications is simply to rename the HTML file or the folder. When trying to rename the file/folder, the following message will appear. Rename warning. If you rename this file, it will no longer belong to the folder test_files. To rename it safely, open the file, save it with a new name, and then delete the folder test_files. Do you want to rename this file anyway? After approving it, the connection between the HTML file to the files folder will be removed. Now, you can delete/move the folder. After you've done, you can rename the file's name back to its original name.
Acavium is right. This is a Windows setting, not a Firefox setting, that stops you separating the folder from the file easily. Firefox does have an option to save just the HTML page without the associated media. Save page as, then select web page, HTML only, but it doesn't sound like that's what you're asking about. To stop Windows linking the file and folder permanently, open up Windows Explorer, not Internet Explorer, click Tools menu, Options, click the View tab, then scroll about halfway down the Advanced Settings box. You should see a Managing Pairs of Web Pages and Folders, which is probably set to show both parts but manage as a single file at the moment. You probably want to select Show Both Parts and manage them individually.
Okay, so if I understand correctly, you have a complete web page that you have saved all the files linked to. And you want to move the folder and have all the links not break? If so, I think all you have to do is open the HTML file in a text editor like Notepad++, do a find and replace with a new path on this part. It will replace all of the URLs that have broken.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.